Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the application of percentages. This topic we have earlier done in the class 5 as well as in the class 6. What is a percentage? A fraction with the denominator 100 can be called written as in a percentage. Symbol of a percentage you already know, and that is written on the screen also. For example, if I have a fraction 19 out of 100, I can write it as a 19%, or a 7 out of 100 can be written as 7%. Today we are going to learn that percent can be converted into a fraction, expressed as a ratio, and converted into a decimal. Let me do some examples. First question is 4%. Today we are going to learn how to convert percentage into fraction, decimal as well as in ratios. First, 4%. What does 4% means? 4% means 4 out of 100. Can I write it as a fraction? Yes. 4% means 4 out of 100. Reduce if possible. I get 121 by 25. That is the fractional form. I can write it as a ratio 1 is to 25. That is a ratio form. Can I write 4 by 100 is in a decimal? Yes. That is 0.04. That is as a decimal. Right, all of you? It means percentage can be written as in a ratio, as in a fraction, as well as in a decimal form. Now, one more example, 23%. What does the 23% means? 23% means 23 out of 100. It means I can write it as a fraction 23 out of 100. Can we reduce it further? No, it means this is in a standard form, but it can be written in a decimal number, that is 0.23. Okay, now let's go to the one more example. This time we are taking a fractional percentage, 4 by 5%. What is a 4 by 5% means? 4 by 5 out of 100. 4 by 5 out of 100. Could we able to write, because already 5 is in a denominator? Yes. 4 by 5 already is there. Then write 100 in a denominator with the sign of multiplication. Then we will get 4 by 500. Reduce if possible. I get 1 by 125 as an answer. Right, all of you? One more. This time I have taken a mixed number. 62 by 5%. 62 by 5% can be written as 62 by 5 out of 100, right? Can I convert this mixed number into a proper fraction? Yes, I will get 32 by 5 out of 100. The same procedure will be followed as in a previous example. Out of 100 means 100 should be in a denominator, but there is already a 5. So what should I do? 32 by 5 multiplied by 100, that is 32 by 500. Now let me reduce it and we will get the answer 8 by 125. इतना क्लियर हो गया सबको? ना क्वेश्चन अराइज, हमने एक होल नंबर ले लिया, हमने फ्रैक्शन नंबर ले लिया, हमने मिक्स नंबर ले लिया. नाउ लेट वी टेक अ वन डेसिमल नंबर, राइट? टू we will do it later. Okay, now into decimals. 33%. 33% means 33 out of 100. Now I can convert into a decimal, that we have already done in the previous example. If we take a 1 decimal number, then how can we do that? 0.8% can be written as 0.8 out of 100, right? 0.8 out of 100 can be written in this form. Dividing by 100. If 100 is in a denominator, means divide by 100. If denominator is 100, dividing by 100 means shift the decimal 2 places to left. 2 places to left. Let me shift the decimal to the 2 places to the left. What should I do? Because there is only one zero, I will insert one more zero. I will get 0.008. Right? This is the decimal form. Let me do one more. Done. Now let me do one more question based on the same topic. Find the value of, याद आया? क्लास 5 और क्लास 6 में किया हुआ है हमने. 20% of 1 rupee. Let me come to the 20% means first. 20% means 20 out of 100, right? Can I write it in a fraction? Yes. 20 by 100. Of means multiply 1 rupee. Can I convert 1 rupee into paisa? Yes. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Now just put that value and solve. Your answer is 20 paise. Is that clear to all of you? सबको समझ में आ गया? जब भी परसेंटेज दिया हो, it means out of 100. It doesn't matter whether you have a decimal number, whether you have a fraction number, whether you have a whole number. Just remove the sign of percentage and 100, write down 100 in a denominator. Reduce if possible in case of fraction. Insert decimals in case of decimals. Right? Now come to the next topic. If we have to convert them into percentage, We don't have a percentage given, but we have to convert them into percentage. For example, if I have scored 1 mark out of 4, then how could I convert into a percentage? If I have scored 2 out of 5, how do I will convert into a percentage? Let we learn. Right? Convert into percentage. If I have scored 2 out of 5, 2 by 5 means 2 out of 5. Then percentage means how much out of 100. Why? Because percentage means out of 100. Then what should I do? 2 out of 5 है तो 100 से multiply कीजिए. That will give you out of 100. Why I have written outside the bracket? The calculation gives you number out of 100. That is 40. 40 out of 100 means 40%. Right, all of you? Is that clear? If I have one more question, 3 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3 convert into a fraction, improper fraction, that is 10 by 3. 10 by 3 out of 100. 10 by 3 means 10 out of 3. 10 out of 3. Then how much out of 100? Similarly, multiply by 100. Then you will get 1000 by 3. Write down into an improper one. Then you will get answer in a percentage. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's take one decimal number, right? 0.2. 0.2 can be written as 0.2 upon 1 or 2 upon 10. If we will take 2 upon 10, the same procedure as we did in the 2 by 5. If 2 out of 10, then how much out of 100? Multiply by 100, reduce and solve. But if we have a decimal number, then how could we do that? 0.2 upon 1 means 0.2 out of 1. Then how much out of 100 the question arises? Then I will multiply it by 100. It gives you out of 100. Multiply by 100 means decimal will shift 2 places to right? 2 places to right. But there is only one digit after the decimal on the right hand side. So I will insert one more. I will get 20. My answer is 20%. I hope this is clear. Do practice, then you will do more examples. One more, last is ratio. 2:5 can be written as 2 by 5. ये हमने पहले कर लिया. 2 by 5 it means 2 out of 5. Then how much out of 100? Multiply by 100. Your answer is 40%. It means I hope everybody have learned how to convert percentage into fraction, decimals as well as in ratio. Similarly, we have learned how to convert decimal, फ्रैक्शन, रेशियोज इनटू परसेंटेज. जब परसेंटेज दियो देन आउट ऑफ 100 कीजिए. जब परसेंटेज निकालनी है तो आउट ऑफ 100 निकालिए. राइट ऑल ऑफ यू. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 कीजिए जब परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना हो. जब परसेंटेज रिमूव करना हो डिवाइड बाय 100 कीजिए. ओके.